अच्छा साहब, आपने मुझे ड्रीम का बात समझाया. ड्रीम. See again, sorry for my ignorance, but most of the people, whether in Gaza or here or any part of the world, are going through a bad dream.
Are going through the dream.
Bad, bad dream of
All the
violence.
billions.
Violence and millions of people.
Yes.
There is starvation, there is poverty,
Everything.
and all this.
Everything.
So, to those like me who are ignorant, when sorrow strikes me, I feel extremely sorrowful.
Yes. Yes, correct.
And I take it as a reality for me.
Yes, correct.
It may be a dream for you.
Correct.
So
It's
now
dream for
somebody-
him also. It
Now
is
somebody,
dream for
now,
him.
now somebody takes a axe and cuts the hand and the legs and takes out the eye. So how terrible pain it is, sir. And suffering it is.
When you get in your dream,
I understand.
a tiger and 3 tigers are there. They are all tearing at you in different places. Don't we feel pain? Is it not real?
Yes, sir, but what I'm trying to say is that here, when I wake up, I realize, at least, after a few hours I wake up,
Yes.
I realize
Yes.
that it was false. While here, till I die, I don't realize.
No. We can realize it. That's what we are trying. See, when once we have realized Him, we know the universal energy and all.
Yeah, no,
that.
once
we
you-
become,
once you-
we
once-
become one with Him.
Yeah, but
Then all these things will continue.
most of us don't relate to him.
It will come. Everybody has to, because everybody is made up of the same material. So
It will come, but
everybody
sir,
has to.
but sir, already millions have suffered.
You see, you tell me, who are you? Where from you came? What's your source? So if you analyze it, who am I? Then you will know that you are nobody, you are not an individual at all. So long as you are under illusion, ये गलत फहमी कहते हैं कि मैं इंडिविजुअल हूँ.
लेकिन sir, it's a fact that millions of people believe that they are individuals.
See,
Millions of people do.
right. If you have to get up from a nightmare, the very process will be painful. You have to undergo it. You have to undergo all these sufferings. You can't help it. Because your tragedy is as much appreciated as a comedy. It's a tragedy. Bhagwan has become a tragedy against you. There are so many with a silver spoon from the very beginning. They never had any problems at all in their lifetime.
Those are very few.
They died like that.
They are very few.
Very few. But still they're all.
But millions and millions are not.
It doesn't
So what I'm
matter.
saying, sir, this totality of the universe,
Yes.
where
It is the
created-
totality
No,
only there.
no, yes, sir. One second. So where it is created an ocean, Himalayas, this
It
miracle
is
of
not
the
created.
body.
It has not created.
No, self-generated.
The ultimate word, what is the highest truth? Gaudapada, the grand guru of Shankar, Adi Shankara, says the same thing, the same wordings are repeated in Vivek Chudamani by Adi Shankara. The same wordings are repeated in Mandukya Karika. The same wordings are repeated in Bhagavad, 11th Skandha.
What are these words?
न निरोधो न चोत्पत्ति न बद्धो न च साधका न मुक्तो न मुमुक्षुश्च इत्येषा परमार्थता. What is the ultimate truth? There has never been a creation. Everything was only an illusion. There is never a creation. Creation means actual. There is never a creation. Nirodha means dissolution of it. Pralay. न प्रलय था न उत्पत्ति थी. न निरोधो न चोत्पत्ति न बद्धो. Nobody has been bound. Then I am feeling I am bound. I cannot go through this wall. What do you mean by that? A fellow, he was having 20 sheep. He was standing in a forest. His house was 20 kilometers off. And in the evening, he will put it in the platform. There will be a hound or a dog to take care of them. There were 20. One day evening when he came, एक रस्सी कम था, उस कुंठी में डाल नहीं पाते, किसी ने उठा कर ले गया. अब 19 का तो उसने डाल दिया वहाँ पर. He knotted them. They won't go out. The dog will not protect them outside. It will protect only inside. Then an old man came. Hey fool, केवल भावना करो. You make signs as if you are taking it. Put it there. Put this thing. Take it long there. And कुंठी में डालो. ये करो. तुम चले जाओ. वो इधर से मूव नहीं करेगा. This is the bondage. Okay? It remained okay. Early morning when he came, 19, he said, "Ush, get out." उसको निकाल दिया. All of them went out. But this never moved, never budged an inch. He nudged it, but it won't budge. It won't move. Then the same old man was passing. Hey fool, भावना से जो किया उसको undo करो इसी तरह से. अब again he went, उसको रिमूव किया, ये सब किया और वो कर दिया. अब उश वो बाहर चला गया. This is what is happening to us. So he says, na baddho. Nobody has been bound. Na mukto na mumukshusya. There is nobody who is a mukta. When you have never been bound, where is the question of release from that? Where is the question of liberation? You are ever liberated. That's all. As the totality of the energy. There is never anything else. There is no creation at all. So it's all an illusion. Na baddho, na mumukshusya. Oh, I want moksha, I want moksha. When you know that he has not been bound, why should you ask for moksha? So, nobody who wants moksha, mumukshu, mokshasya ichha mumuksha. Ityesha paramarthata. This is the ultimate truth, you believe it or not. 4 top people have avoided it. The same sloka as written. I am not telling.
You written it in the Vachakams.
Eh?
The book in Vachakams.
Yes. This is called Ajatavada. You are never born, the unborn theory. That's all. You are never born at all. But it is very difficult to believe it.
Yeah.
That is there. But this requires the grace of the Guru, the grace of the God.
Yeah.
Then there is no problem. It will come. Because you are no outsider. You are he.
Yeah.
He is entertaining himself with a drama. He himself is all the actors. He has become Rama, he has become Dasharatha, he has become Sita, he has become Lava, he has become Kusha. Then what? It is only one Amitabh Bachchan who has taken all the roles. He became the judge, he became the dacoit, he became the superintendent of police. The superintendent of police is going after the dacoit. The father cries, yeah, don't shoot him, he's your brother. You see, the entire thing, you should develop that attitude of looking at them as an outside witness. Then it will be an entertainment. Just leave it. What will happen? Whatever is to happen has to happen. With all your worry, with all your anxiety, with all your fear, you cannot achieve anything. You cannot achieve one fingertip worth.
Yeah.
It has to happen. So leave it and enjoy it. See what his plan is, how he is taking it. See, it is written, Atita Ananusandhanam. Don't think of the past. Past is past.
Yeah.
आप उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते. भविष्यत अविचारणम. Don't think of the future, because only from the present you are projecting a future. You never know what is going to happen the next minute. So it is meaningless. So bhavishyat vicharanam. As far as the present is concerned, udasina. What is udasina? Utu means up, udgam. Where there is a bubble of enthusiasm, utsav. Ut means up. So, ut asina, padmasana asina. Asina means to be seated. To be seated in padmasana. So, Ut asina. You don't stand among the problems. You go up and stand. Let them solve themselves. Then you come down. Jivan Mukta Lakshanam. If these three you do, you are a Jivan Mukta. You are already liberated. This is Adi Shankar.
What three,
Yes, sir.
what three things?
अतीत अननुसंधानम. अतीत मीन्स जो पास्ट, उसका संधान मत करो. अतीत अननुसंधानम, अतीतान अनुसंधानम, भविष्यत अविचारणम. डोंट, उसके ऊपर विचार मत करो भविष्यत के बारे में.
Right.
औदासीन्यम फॉर द प्रेजेंट. अपि प्रोक्तम जीवन मुक्त से लक्षण. दिस इज द लक्षण जीवन मुक्त. यस.
Beautiful.
But sir, after the fact is this, that even after reading and trying to contemplate in my conditioned way,
No, as I told, I never contemplated. I never did anything. From out and out, from the beginning, I was a child of grace. I was coming out from East Africa with my child, aged about 6 months old. 3 o'clock we reached Bombay, docked at Bombay. By N.S. Karinjia we came. रात को 9 बजे तक हमारी चेकिंग नहीं हुआ कस्टम्स का. And we have got a number. We have kept all our 32 items, all bags and all there. My air conditioner, my fridge, my these things, everything is there. 9 बजे उन्होंने कहा सब वहीं छोड़कर जाओ, कल सवेरे आकर अपना अपना लेकर चले जाना. पैसा जो देना है. Nobody should take any jewelry. They have to be assessed and you have to pay. My wife has kept, gold was very cheap there. All the gold jewelry on her. I said, don't keep inside, because that will be kept in the hold and all that. So you keep it on your own body. Now, the man before me was a doctor from Kenya. His child, they have put a lot of golden bangles in his pocket here. 8 साल का लड़का था. Almost when they came near the fellow who is seeing their passport and allowing to go, the boy shouted, "Chupta hai ma, ye bangles chupti hai." They took him inside. The next was my son. She took my passport, ash colored. Government passport. Designation, government servant. आपका एक्चुअल डेजिग्नेशन क्या है? Look here. This passport was not issued by passport officer. It has been issued by a joint secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs. See there. Doesn't he know the meaning of the word designation? So he has done it intentionally, perhaps. Perhaps. He lowered his voice. Intelligence? I laughed. Before all, will I accept it in case I belong to the intelligence? Do you think I will own it now? Before all the people? You can go, sir. God has been a partner for conspiracies.
no sir, what I was trying to say is that I am from my childhood, just as you were like this.
No.
I
was a very ordinary fellow.
I am very tense, very anxious, fearful and impatient person. I am telling about myself.
It is because of the past impressions. From the previous birth we are developed in. So it can be removed, 1 by prayers, number 2 by having the opposite. If you are now very full of anger at every time, akrodhena jayat krodham. So you keep quiet. That's the
Angry I
method.
don't get. Yeah,
So
angry I don't get.
by the opposites only you can change it. Achha. Then the third thing is going into satsang. All these things will take away the vasanas only, and then we will be able to bear them all. Till that time, you have to bear the unbearable. God. Yes. There is no other go. There is no other go. You have to face.
So how do we forget the past, forget the future,
Yes,
and be in the present and be on the top of things right now?
that's all. Keep that as our. I never had unhappiness in my life. I never had unhappiness for one day in my life.
Nice. Great.
And I never touched spirituality till the year of 62. No
see.
time, night and day. Wherever I went, arrears of 20 years. And the president himself, when I went to East Africa, President Nyerere writes a missile to me, a love letter. I understand there are arrears of 15 years. I want a progress report every week. The buggards were sleeping for 15 years. And now they are asking me to give weekly progress report. And it is a PWD division with 50 divisions. I have to get the answers from them. And I am centrally pursuing the objections. As a finance manager, finance secretary.
So at 62 you started this journey.
62 only. There is the time I took my sannyas. Suddenly, I was sitting. I got a nice quarters in Bangalore. My wife has gone for some lectures for 6 months. For 6 months she won't come. My son is studying in Kharagpur IIT. He won't come. This is like कुटिया only. अरे कुटिया में कहाँ जाना है, संन्यास क्या लेना है, यही तो बहुत बढ़िया है. That very day morning I was thinking, 10 o'clock, there is a voice. There is a voice. Hey, one day you are jumping to become a sannyasi, have everything cold. Before next Saturday you are leaving. Crisp orders. Where from it came, I didn't know. Immediately, first, to burn the boats. I took out my fellow of the management account of London, burnt it. Number 2, member of the internal auditors of New York, burnt it. And a member of the data processing London. Everything consigned to this thing. Now I am without qualification. Next, I took out my old pants, shirts, whatever I was wearing, everything, excepting 2 pairs of dhotis and shirts. Went to the shops, second-hand shops. I am giving it to you free. You should give to poor people at a low rate. You take, but at a low rate. Don't charge them highly. Gave it to them. All my books. Went to a friend of mine. Hey, now what I am going to do? I will only take Ram Nam. Come on, keep it with you. To nobody I mentioned that I am going for sannyas.
How did this come to you in a moment?
In a moment the voice came. I was absolutely complacent. अरे आश्रम तो यही है, यहाँ क्या करना है, ये एक बार खाना बनाकर खुद ही खाना है. Wife is not there, son is not there, 6 महीने, अरे वाह, इससे बढ़िया क्या होगा. उसी दिन ठोक लिया. And then it was 1991. 1992 I started. I got the orders in my meditation. You will not stay anywhere for more than 4 days. You will be going on traveling for 4 years. I had never seen a 10 rupee note in those days. 3 rupees, 4 rupees, rarely 6-7 rupees, nothing more. Till the year 2001, I have never seen a 10 rupee note. Today also, I have never seen a 10 rupee note, I get thousands. This is the position. That's all. The entire Haryana, the entire Punjab, village to village, with 2 bags. I had no money, I can't pay for the porter. 2 big bags. That's all. whoever called me in between, स्वामी जी 2 दिन हमारे यहाँ पर रहकर, हाँ जी, चला गया उसके साथ। टिकट कहीं का है ही, पर इनके साथ चला गया। But it's a beautiful place. Not one day I suffered for want of accommodation. Not one day I suffered for want of food. All the 4 years. A man, whenever I went to another station, nobody below a major ever used to come and take me. And now, I am a minor most. Nobody to care for me. और हम अंग्रेजी में बात नहीं करते थे। लोग यह ना समझना कि क्लासरूम समझी है, हम हिंदी में ही बात करते थे।
That 4 years period, why that was insisted?
वो जाने। Keep a note. When you meet him, you ask him. It's a beautiful. See, when you think of it now, there is never any suffering. Even when a tiger simply mauled you and went away, after 10 years later, मेरी ये कथा सुनाऊं, I had a tiff with a tiger. I came out alive. Yeah. So, everything, when you look at retrograde,
Incident with snake. You know?
Sorry?
it is not a suffering at all. Suffering is only at that moment you think so. That's all. Sukha dukhe, punya pape, manasani nate vibho. These are all only mentally created. There is no sukha, there is no dukkha. It is a reaction. There is no suffering. There is nothing called as suffering. A neurologist who is a chief professor in Aligarh is a shishya of mine, on Srivastav. He has written a big article about it. It has been accepted in UK and USA. That there is no pain.
There is no pain.
Nothing called a pain. Then where is the suffering? In fact, all the sufferings, you know where they have come? You get 3 rings at the time of marriage. Marriage ring, before that engagement ring, then suffer ring. Only then you get it.
Suffering.
That's nothing. That suffering you think it is sukha. This suffering you think. You see, a fellow, he was going along with a toli of sadhus to beyond Badri and all that, Kedar and all that. In the beginning somewhere, there was a hot spring. So they stayed there, they went there and all that. Morning some breakfast they prepared there itself by putting it there, and he ate. When he was going a little distance, he found his valuable diamond ring is not there. He's a brahmachari. My Lord, महाराज आप लोग चाहते रहिएगा, मैं ज़रा जाकर थोड़ी देर में वापस आ जाऊँगा. He went back there. He searched everywhere, he couldn't get it. But he got a big shining stone. देखा, अरे ये तो डायमंड है. डायमंड मालूम पड़ता है. Secretly was happy. Put it. He lost a diamond ring. Now he has got a diamond stone. Pocket में डाला. So now he became happy. He went and joined them. किसी एक स्वामी जी को इसको दिखाया. स्वामी जी ये क्या है बताइए. ये तो डायमंड जैसा है. डायमंड जैसा है ना? हैं? डायमंड? And after coming from Kedarnath, they went to Rishikesh. There he ran to a goldsmith. ये क्या है बताओ.
Zero.
ये तो स्टोन है.
Zero.
Again. So, Where was the happiness? Where was the unhappiness? In you, here. There is nothing there outside you. There is another chap. He has built a big factory on the other side of the Rishikesh, on the other side of the Ganges. He was living on this side. In the evening he saw the entire factory was in flames, conflagration. Oh my Lord. I have been nurturing it since my 22nd year. Now I am 92. And now I have lost everything. I have never insured a single pie worth. He began to weep. Ayo, my entire life's kamai sab khatam ho gaya. His eldest son came. Father, why are you weeping? Yesterday evening I sold it to Banerjee. Your second son has gone to bring the check. Baba, very good. अब unhappiness to happiness. अच्छा थोड़ी देर में his second son came. Banerjee has changed his mind. He is not going to purchase it, so he is not giving any check. Again weeping. So कहाँ था? मानसानि न ते विभो. These don't belong to you. These are all your mental creations. There is no suffering at all. Bhagavan used to say, Ramana, there is suffering, but there is no sufferer.
Yeah.
It is just like a cab lying on the road. I take it and put it and say, oh, it is not fitting here, it gives me a little headache. Who asked you to put it? वो तो रास्ते में पड़ा था. यही है.
रास्ते से मुसीबतें लेके सर
मुसीबत लेकर हम खुद ही लेकर
सर पे रखते हैं.
फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं कि ये वाह कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. यही है. So there is nothing happens. You don't have anything, any pain even. It is all imagination. And you want to treat imaginations? See, in imagination, if you think I am a horse, you go on saying, I can't help it, nobody can help it.
Yeah.
Only a psychologist will take him. He will keep a horse, see the horse's hand, see your hand. Is it like this? See my hand. Your hand is like me, is it not? Then he will say, I am a man. So, till that time I was suffering, that I am a horse.
creation of the mind.
ये गुरु की जरूरत है वहाँ पर. Because he bears away half your burden. It's a fact I have seen myself. Otherwise I would never have come up. He never told anything at all. I never had a single line of conversation with him in all my 4 years of my contact with him. He was the grand disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Ramakrishna's first disciple was Brahmananda Rokal Maharaj, and his Shishya was my Gurudev. 4 years he was only wandering in the forest of Himalayas without food, without clothes. And then he saw the cave, Vasishtha Guha. Then he came to live there. That's it.
Vasishtha Guha is
हम बड़े नहीं हैं फिर भी मेरा गुरु बड़े हैं.
So you met him in MLS.
Eh?
You met him in Himalayas.
Yes. I was taken by somebody. I was going somewhere. Somebody told. He was the son of the ADC to the king of Patiala. Hey, I am going there. You just come. Come on. He's a great Mahatma. So I devoted. I went there. It was a puja holiday. That's all. So, love at first sight. He was 79 at that time.
you
Eh?
and then
1956, 28 years old.
28. He was 79.
He was 80s, about 82 he died after 4 years.
So you
So
met
it's
him
like-
when you were 28?
Eh?
You met him when you were 28?
When I was 28 years old.
Oh.
But it took up to 1991 to get something. It was a rock. It was Ahalya. Hal means, Hal ab jante hain, ploughing. Halya means that which can be plowed. Ahalya means which cannot be plowed. It was only Ram who had to come and make her. So she was called Ahalya. I was an Ahalya.
That movie.
And the another one is कुछ न मत करें लाइफ में. Be meeting some great Mahatmas. That's all. Vina Mahatpada Rajobhishekam. You see, one Jadabharta is a Jivanutta. He was bearing the palki of a king, Raja Rahugan का. और जाते वक्त पीछे जाता, there is a row of ants. So he just, and that fellow got hit, the king. Hey, who is there? Oh, you are very thin, because he was like this. You are very thin. And now you have come a long distance. You are tired. So I will teach you. I will teach you how to bear the palki. I will give you teaching. Such a teaching you will not forget it. The man who never talked till that day to anybody opens his mouth for the first time. Rahuganeta tapasa na labhyo. Hey Rahugan, ये जो हैं तपस आप 1000 बरस करो मिलेगा नहीं. नच इज्जिया 1000 याग यज्ञ करो. इज्जिया मीन्स याग यज्ञ नहीं मिलेगा. निर्वपणात् गृहात् वा, सर को मुंडन करके तुम बाहर निकलो, संन्यास ले लो, तब भी नहीं मिलेगा. बिना महात्माद रजोभिषेकम. Unless you go to Mahatmas from time to time, उनके हाथ के